So guys, in this video, we just want to take a look at what have been happened to Apple iOS new update, that is iOS 26. A lot of changes has taken place, redesign of the apps, as well as third-party apps, and so many things that we need to know on this platform. So the first thing I would like to share with you guys is the control panel. If you swipe down the control panel, you can see that is a glassy in nature. It's highly transparent. I mean, everything is appearing here. You can see, even if you scroll up, you have access to how this is glacial in nature. I mean, you have access to it. I think that is a very good feature about this. Then, not only that, I also discovered one important thing about the camera. Take a look at the camera here, guys. The camera logo is also something that is special from the previous we used on iOS 18. Not only that, if you tap and access the camera, let's see one or two things in the camera. The first thing you have to say, guys, is that you have two buttons at the base of this place where you have the photo as well as and the video. So, and if you want to navigate, just swipe like this, you'll be able to see other important information here. So as well, if you just swipe all like this, then it brings out the camera function as this. You can see the filter, the aperture and others. Then that is that. Then you have also have access to the same thing on the piano. So these are what you likely see on that. Then under this, take a look at this place. You can sweep or swap between JPEG and other formats. That's a very good feature as well that iOS 26 is giving. Then under the video as well, you can as well tap on it and have access to other important features like frame rate and resolution, HD, 4K, and others. This is a very good thing that Apple has added to the new design on this iOS 26 version. Guys, this is a very good thing. The other thing that comes to my mind on this particular setting is what you see under the photo. If you tap on the photo and photo album here, guys, majorly you have two button here. You have the library and you have the collection. It was not like this before. Then as well, this particular search button has been brought it down to the base of this place. I think it was here before, and with one finger now, with one hand, you can as well use your iPhone to the fullest, which is one of the cool feature I see on iPhone. Then take a look at this button here. If you tap on this button, you have access to sort by recent. All these were just added on this iPhone. Then you can as well tap on select here. That was here before. Now, if you take a look at this button here, tap on these three dots. Here you have access to other important feature here on iOS 26. Guys, this is very cool about this design. Then there is another important design that is very catchy when I use it. That design is from the calculator. Now let's open the calculator. Once you open the calculator, guys, the calculator has a new design, I mean a unique design. This logo was here before and it has been transferred to the top, and if you tap on it, you have this kind of amazing thing showing up on this. Then if you tap on this button, then you have so many important feature here that you can see alongside. And if you try to access the scientific as well, guys, it comes up awesomely. These are new updates or developments from this design of the iOS 26 beta. Not only that, guys, you take a look at the third party apps like this YouTube Studio. Is the logo is a bit catchy, and almost everything about this size of the apps is bigger than the recent one on iOS 18.5 or iOS 18 series. So a lot of redesign has taken place on this platform. Another important thing that I noticed over the couple of days I've been using this iOS 26 is this dial button. If you tap on it here, guys, two important thing changes here. I mean, two things comes up here. The first one is if you tap on this button now, where you see this button, where you see this recent call, then there is this option here. Tap on this option, then be able to swap between the classic and you undefine. If you tap on undefine, majorly you have this button here, and you can see that you have the calls, you have the contact, you have the keypad, which is just another feature that you can use on this. And if you are under this place, and if you're under call, then you can switch between the classic and the undefined. And under the undefined, this voice mail has been added to this. Then you have access to the missed call and other important information here, guys. This is also a very good thing. Then here the edit is also added. That is a new feature I've just discovered on iOS 26 since I've been using it. Another important thing I discovered, if you tap on the message icon, then try to tap on your icon here, then you see this design, guys. You can change your background, you can change a lot of things here, you can change emoji and so many other things that you can change on this place. Then you can add name and photo sharing from the message apps here, guys. I think it was WhatsApp that added background to their platform, but guys, it's now available on iOS 26 on your iPhone. You can as well select photo, customize, and see the roster and avatar here, guys. You can choose from all these. This is very cool. You can see and select any of these that barely suit your purpose, guys. This is a very good design from iPhone. So if you have not tried that, you can as well lay your hand upon it and try it out. Then another thing I discovered about this iOS 26 is that when you take a screenshot from this place, the feature has been changed, and you can see that when you're taking a screenshot, you have something like this. Now try to save this screenshot by tapping on this button. You see how it looks, guys, just like highly transparent, and it's just like glass. And here you have option to save photo file and quick. These are what you can easily access of this new design on iPhone. But guys, there is this particular phishing, or let me call it glitch, that is working on iOS 26. If you try to use Siri now, Siri does not respond perfectly like the former version of Siri. So let's take a look at, hi Siri, take a screenshot. Now Siri does not respond. Siri cannot take screenshots now. Hi Siri, lock my phone. So there's some command that Siri cannot attend to. Even if you ask Siri to do some command for you guys, Siri cannot attend to such command. The other important thing that I discovered on this new version of iOS, which iOS 26, is from the browser. I mean the Safari browser. So the scene has been changed, and so many things has happened here. And if you try to swipe up or to do something like this, the keyboard has been changed. So many things has been changed on Safari, on the new design as well on this platform. Not only that, guys, so many things has been changed on this new design on iOS 26. If you can try it out, guys, you can take your time and try it out. Even if you try to access the FaceTime call, and the new design is that you have access to the images and other important settings here on the FaceTime call with the new call and this button coming up here where you can access call, missed, and video call and another thing. The other important thing is that if you use the FaceTime call, there is a place now you can record the screen on FaceTime. This has just been introduced to iOS 26, but Apple need to improve on the design so that this will fit more of the user. Another important thing I discovered on iOS this is that sometimes it takes a little while to respond to command. When you use your phone or when you tap on the phone, it takes longer time to respond. The other thing I want to talk about is that I've just discovered on iOS 26 is the lock screen. Let's tap on it again and open it now. Let me tap on all these. So now that I've tapped on all this now, let me tap on customize. So tap on customize. Now I can drag this time. You can see this is draggable now. You can see then I can as well do anything with this time. Then here you can do so many things on this platform where you can as well switch all this. Usually the time has been introduced, which is one of the cool feature that I see on this platform that has just been added. You can see this is a very great development on Apple, majorly on this iOS 26. There are so great features that has just been introduced on this new iOS version that is doing very well. So if you have this version, you can try it out on your own. So if you don't enjoy what I've explained this video about this new design on iOS and you've not subscribed, please take a minute of your time and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys. See you soon on our next video.